I am going to explain another problem from orthogonal trajectories. Okay, so let me read the problem once. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of curves x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal a power 2 by 3, where a is parameter. This is the problem. So here, what is the family of curve? This one, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal a power 2 by 3 is the family of curve, and a is the parameter. So we have to eliminate parameter a here in this problem. So solution. So given family x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal a power 2 by 3. This is equation 1. This is the first step from working rule. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So second step, x power 2 by 3 plus y power something. So differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1 plus y power 2 by 3 derivation 2 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 minus 1 into y derivation, take y derivation dy by dx equal a power 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3 means a is the parameter. Parameter means constant. Constant derivation is 0. So that implies we get come out 2 by 3 and take right side. So we get x power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal 0. So already we can observe here there is no, after differentiation there is no parameter. So parameter has been eliminated by differentiation directly. So and next step, replace dy by dx equal minus dx by dy in this equation. Okay, now we get x power minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal minus dx by dy equal 0. Okay, right. X power minus 1 by 3, this one, plus into minus y power minus 1 by 3 into dx by dy equal 0. So above equation can be written as x power minus 1 by 3 equal y power 1 by 3, y power minus 1 by 3 into dx by dy. After cross multiplication, so dy by y power minus 1 by 3 equal dx as it is by x power minus 1 by 3. So also we can write y power minus 1 by 3, right in numerator we can write y power 1 by 3 into dy. So take left side this x function minus x power 1 by 3 into dx equal 0. Clearly this is integrable. It can be solved by variable separable. So integrating, take the integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, integration y power 1 by 3 into dy minus integration x power 1 by 3 into dx equal c, isn't it? So integration y power 1 by 3 dy. So y power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 equal c. That means next step we get y power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 minus x power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 equal c. We can take c by 4 by 3. We have the choice here according to y. So finally we get y power 4 by 3 minus x power 4 by 3 equal to c. This is the required orthogonal trajectory of equation, this equation 1. So this is the process of orthogonal trajectory. This is a very important problems for annual exams.